Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to repair the Beats Solo 3 right side audio issue. So if your Beat Solo 3 is only playing sound on the left side, while the right side is silent, don't worry, in this video, I'll show you exactly how you can troubleshoot and fix the right side audio issue step by step. So, the first thing that you need to do is reset your beats. So start with a factory reset. So this will clear glitches that might cause one side to stop working. So to reset your Beats Solo 3, you just have to hold down the power and the volume down buttons. So you just have to keep holding for 10 seconds and then release when the LED light flashes. So after that, you can test the audio again after the reset and see if it works. Then the option number 2 or the method number 2 is firmware update. So you can check for firmware updates using the Beats updater on your computer. So to be able to do that, you just have to go to beatsbydre.com/support. Then just download the Beats updater and then connect your Beats via USB cable. Then after that, just install updates if available. Third option is you can try wired audio. So if you have a 3.5 mm cable, you can plug your Beats in directly to that. So this is what we call the wiggle test. You can gently wiggle the cable near the right hinge. So if the sound cuts in or out, it's a physical wiring issue. So you just have to get it fixed. Now, if it doesn't work, if all the methods I've given you still doesn't work, then the last option is to contact Apple support. So if your Beats are still under warranty, don't open them. You can contact the Apple support for a replacement or repair. So you just have to visit this link right here, which is the support.apple.com/beats. And then from there, you can send a report or an concern to them and just wait for their response. And that's basically it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!